a very small topic, prime factorization, we will be doing today. It is very easy and interesting. Now we all know what are factors and we all know what are prime numbers. So I'm going to merge these two words, factors and prime numbers. So now I want to find out those factors which are only primes. Got it? We have to find out factors. That's perfectly correct. I will take an example and show you both first. Let me take the first sum in your book. There's only one question, 6 parts. So this is the first part. If I just want to find simple factors, and then in the second part I want to find the prime factors. Okay? So first, simply, when we are supposed to find the factors, you now very well know the process. 3 9s is 27 and my factors are 1, 3, 9 and 27. Children, when you observe, this is a prime number, this is composite, and this is a unique number. All of them are not prime. Some are prime, some are composite. So it depends. But when we are supposed to find the prime factors, there is one method which is called the factor tree method. Same number 27. You know how the tree grows? It grows in the branches. Now children, this particular factor pair, 1, I will not take. Reason? 1 is not a prime. Because 1 is not a prime, I will not take 1 as its factor. Now children, 27, it comes in the table of 3 and 3 is prime also. So when I divide 27 by 3, I get a quotient, it is 9. Now tell me which is prime and which is composite. This is prime. 9 is again composite. So children, the one which is composite, I will make a branch again like a tree. Again it will come in the table of 3. And what is my quotient? 3. Now I observe that both are prime. So in these circles I have got prime numbers and the prime factors. What have I received? 3 times 3. So when you multiply this, you get 27. So this is your pair of prime factors. Repeat this video again and again if you have not understood one time. And now I'm moving on to sum number 2. In your notebooks, you are going to write exercise 6.7. First sum I have done in the previous screen. Write your date and then proceed with your work. Your question is, find prime factors using factor tree method. So my second question is 36. So 36 I have written. I'll make the branches of a tree. Now what table comes in your mind? 4 9s are 36. You can take it. But you observe here that both are composite. So I have to again make the branches of both. Till how long I have to make the branches, children? I can make the branches in any direction. Till the time I get prime numbers. So now you can observe that I have got my prime numbers. So what are my prime factors, children? My prime factors are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Please focus. I have a multiplication sign when I am using the factor tree to find the prime factors. My third part, 45. So again, I will take 45. What tables comes to your mind? 5 9s are 45. Do I have any prime number? Yes. And my composite number, I will break again. 3 3s are 9. So here I will circle my prime numbers and I will then write my prime factors. My prime factors are 5 multiply 3 multiply 3. I again am telling you, children, focus that when we are finding the prime factors, my focus should be that while writing the answer, I have to write the multiplication sign. Now again I have 55. The table which comes to your mind is of 5 and 11. and both are prime. Both of them are prime numbers, 5 and 11. They don't come in any other table. So what are my prime factors like? They are 5 and 11. Right? And next part is 48. So when I find the factors of 48, 8 6 or 48 comes to your mind. I need not to circle 6 and I need not to circle 8 because both of them are composite. I will have to make further branches. 3, 2, 4, 2. How many primes have I got? I have got 1, 2, 3 primes and one composite. So what I will do, I will make a branch again. As I told you, you can make the branches in any direction. What are my prime factors? 3 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. All the prime numbers, children, please circle and in the end write all the circled prime numbers. The last question, children, if you want, you can do it on your own. Pause the video, do the sum and then check your answer. 56. 7 8s are 56. So I have received my first prime, but I have to move on with my composite. 4 2s are 8. I have again received one of the primes, but I am supposed to proceed with 4. It is 2 and 2. And both the 2s are the prime numbers. So what are the prime factors which I have obtained? They are 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. I hope you have understood. This is the end of our chapter. Revise it thoroughly and don't forget assessment tomorrow. Assessment tomorrow. Right. Thank you, children.